Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily activate 45 watt super fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to settings. Now, what you guys need to do is make sure, before we do anything, that you have the compatible charger for super fast charging. Now go to settings and now go to device care. Here what you need to select is battery, and now what we can do is tap on more battery settings right here. Oh sorry, not here, but charging settings. And as you guys can see, we have fast charging right here. And as you guys can see, now we disabled it and now it's enabled. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.